What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to ChriSamz Properties and welcome back to Chester Creek. So guys, today we're here to give you another drone update on the development. We would have gone to the open house some time ago, but unfortunately the video that we wanted to capture, we still have not been able to do that. I've done a short video, however, that will be posted as a shorts sometime soon, so you guys can look out for that. But before I give you guys this drone update, remember that Chester Creek is now in phase 2 of the development. So phase 2 is now being sold for $32.5 million. So you heard me, phase 2 is now on sale for $32.5 million. I'll leave the contact information for the developer in the description of this video. If you wish to view the place or you want to make a purchase, you can reach out to them and set your appointment or to get all the information that you need. So guys, remember to like this video, remember to subscribe, remember to share out to your families and your friends, and remember to always just leave your comment. The good thing about the community at ChriSamz Properties is that if I am unable to respond to you, or sometimes even before I get to responding, I realize that somebody from the group will respond to you once they have that information. So don't be afraid to leave a comment. It will be addressed whether by me or by our fellow subscribers. So fill up the comment section, leave your concerns, just be respectful, just be kind, but share honest view, share honest opinion. That's appreciated as well. So we're just going to jump into this drone chat right now, and you guys can see what is happening here at Chester Creek. So I'll catch you guys on the other side of this video. So there you have it, guys. Another drone update for Wiccan Development, Chester Creek, right here in Westchester, located in Portmore, St. Catherine. Like I said before, and you'd have seen the information being circulated, phase 2 is now on sale for 32.5 million. If you're interested, I placed the contact information for Wiccan in the description of this video. So guys, thank you so much for making it ChriSamz Properties one more time for your property tours and update. I'll continue to give you guys these videos week after week, and if there's any new information or new development on the developments, then I will definitely let you know. If I can visit new properties, or when I can visit new properties, I will definitely do that for you guys, as well as there are some restrictions at the moment. So guys, big up on yourself like always. I appreciate the support, I appreciate the love, and thank you guys for always leaving your comment, expressing your appreciation for these videos. It's really motivating, and I'll continue to give you guys these videos as best as I can. So guys, it's peace out from Chris, peace out from ChriSamz, and we'll catch you in another video. The price might be 32, the price might be 28, the price might be 40, but we'll be giving you guys the videos with the updates and with the drone shots. So bless up on yourself and take care from ChriSamz Properties.